acid and sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, and we're gonna combine it, and it's gonna form CO2, which is carbon dioxide, as we all know. So the ingredients we need today is obviously citric acid, baking soda, and some distilled water. Okay, so C6H8O7 is the citric acid, and then 3NaHCO is the baking soda. Well, it's just NaHCO, but then I had to balance it so there's something right there. And then it will create water, and then as I said before, carbon dioxide, and salt, because this is sodium bicarbonate, so it's going to break apart and it's going to create salt. So we're going to jump right into the reaction. Okay, so how this chemical reaction is going to work is I'm going to put, baking soda into the beaker, and then I'm going to put the citric acid in the balloon, and I'm going to cover the beaker over the balloon. And when the citric acid and the bicarbonate mix, it's going to inflate the balloon because carbon dioxide will rise out from the solution. So I'm going to use 3.5 grams of baking soda, and there's 150 milliliters of distilled water in here. So I'm going to put that in here, and that's 0.043 moles, and I will put 2.75 grams of sodium bicarbonate. No, citric acid in here. Here, can you help me? Yeah. Okay, we spilled a little, but it's okay. It's all right. And then we're gonna cover this up. So 2.75 grams of citric acid is 0.014 moles. And then we're gonna mix it. And then you can see that it's already reacting. It's already forming bubbles. We're forming bubbles because this is an endothermic reaction, and this is so basically when the CO2 is creating, it does not dissolve in water because it dissolves in water, but then it's not that soluble. So when no more of the carbon dioxide is forming, it reacts into the air, it rises into the air. That's why the balloon is inflating right now. Like you can see, it's really tough, and then it's gonna get bigger gradually. It's bubbling down here, and then this is when the CO2 is escaping the solution and going to the balloon. Yeah. So my ingredient, as I said before, baking soda and citric acid. You guys all know what baking soda does. It does a lot of things, deodorizes, and it whitens your teeth. And citric acid, it's found in citric fruits. It's natural in their citric fruits, so you can get this at Stater Brothers for 65 cents, so it's great. And this reaction happens in common lifestyle things like bath bombs. We all use bath bombs. You know how when you put a bath bomb in the tub, it fizzes out. It's kind of the same reaction when the salt and the water meets, it fizzes out. And when you drink soda, you know how after you drink soda you feel all fizzy inside and you're bloated in your stomach? That is because when acid and base mix, it fizzes inside, and that's why you burp a lot, because a lot of gases form inside your body. So that is some lifestyle or common things that happen. The same reaction around your lifestyle. Okay, so as I said before, there is 2.75 citric acid in here, which is 0.014 moles, and 3.5 grams of baking soda, and that's 0.043 moles. And you can see up here, you can see that it's a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 to 1, and 0.014 times 3 is 0.043. So This is a balance equation, by the way. And as you can see, it's still going, like it's still like bubbling, if you can see, and then it's still inflating. So this goes on for a long time until all the carbon dioxide has escaped from the solution, and that's about it. So thanks for tuning in. Okay, so today we're going to react citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, and then we're gonna mix it together and we're gonna make CO2.
It's going to form.
It's going to form.
Alright, take two!
So today